Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Sony. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the Bluetooth and check if it's not turned on it, and then click on your headphones at the device list. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset, so press and hold power button to turn off your headphones. And now it's disconnected from your phone, so then press and hold power button again to turn on it, and it will reconnect to your phone. So we should see it right here at the device list. Yeah, and we have connection again. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So firstly, let's turn off it. And now click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Forget this device. Forget device. Then, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and now press and hold this power button for at least 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Here we go. Now tap on it at the device list, and again we have connection. If all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, firstly you need to turn off your headphones. And after that, you need to press at the same time power button and ambient sound control button until this LED light starts flashing blue 4 times. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it. Forget. Also don't forget to click Pair New Device on your Android, and after that press and hold power button for at least 2 seconds to turn on it. And after a hard reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Now just click on it, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!